So here's how to return item on Shein. But before we start, if you're new to Shein, you can go ahead and click on my link down in the description to get your free Shein account. After that, you can also get the Shein application. So first up, we will open the Shein app. Once you're here, you will get to see this interface. On the bottom, you will get to see an option that says Me. Tap on it. Here on My Orders, tap on View All. After that, on this page, you'll be able to see all the items that you have ordered on Shein. Here, if you go to Returns, you'll be able to view the items that you've returned. But for returning an item, you need to go over to Shipped and then select the item that you want to return. After that, you will see an option that says Return Item, and if you tap on it, you just need to choose the reason you want to return and you will get the specific instructions. Once they approve your return, you will get the money back in your wallet. And that is exactly how to return item on Shein.